Hi, so this is one of our first portals that was sold on eBay, because we've started to see a lot of people sell portals similar to ours. We thought that we'd start to offer a few for sale on eBay so you can get the actual genuine thing. So in the back of the unit, you've probably realised we've got the Tesla, so we've got on and off, so you can turn it off, or you can have it to respond to sound and vibration like it is at the moment. So you'll just hear it picking up on my voice there, or if you tap the table. So I'll just leave the back off. So as with all the boxes, they're built into our signature design. So we use the Sunrise box or the other similar retro wooden boxes. So you see with the volume, the Tesla actually responds. So we add reverb. So the idea of a reverb is to merge the snippets into one long message. So finally, we've got the scan and store button in the middle. So this is what stores, when you get it into a different region, you'll see that, just hold that there, you'll see the display. If we press and hold the button on the front, that'll start to circle. We'll let it go. And what it will do is it'll start to scan the FM frequency band from 88 through to 108. Along the way, we'll be storing stations. So the beauty of this is all of the white noise, the crackle, hiss, etc. will be left out when the box scans forward, because it will just repeatedly play the stored channels. So that's why we give it its name, Scan and Store, and we call it the clean sweep box because there isn't that white noise. So inside the box you'll see we've got an antenna there, so that's extendable, so you can get better reception or lower reception, slightly detune the box if you wish. So you'll see that the box is just coming through to 108, so it's picked up 17 now. It will play those in reverse now. So in the Midlands, I'd say if you've got, in the middle of the UK, if you've got a good reception area, you should be getting about 20-25 stations. Coastal areas probably about 15. You can put several meters of wire and wrap one end around this if you wish to tune the box in a little more, but it shouldn't be necessary. So if you'd like to see the boxes on our website, there's obviously more on our YouTube channel, but you can actually see the boxes for sale on our website at infraready.co.uk. So that's infraready.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Give us a big thumbs up. We seem to be getting a lot more thumbs up than the occasional odd thumbs down from a few people. So thank you for your support.